Welcome everybody. Today's video finds us over here in Khao Lak, and we're going to take a look at the top 4 beaches in this area. There's about 10 in the immediate Khao Lak area, and let's take a look at the best ones that are the most popular with the most amenities and stuff like that. So let's see what we see. This is the beach right here. And this is the southern part, the Khao Lak 2. And this is the little river that cuts right through it. And it has the shade trees all behind it and a nice wide beach. Where we're at right here is north of the main part of Khao Lak. Bang Niang Beach is to the south, that's the main part over there. And then if you go Bang Sak Beach is to the north, and that's another really nice beach. And the sand is nice. You can see just a little tiny bit of the coral and a few shells, but generally there's nothing here. And the water is just absolutely perfect. It's a nice gentle slope, so nice for swimming. You can see it's a little cloudy, so it should be a pretty nice sunset tonight. There is a beach that's named Sunset Beach that's kind of in the middle of Khao Lak. This is just absolutely perfect. Here's some of the flotsam that is washed up, but it's not bad at all. I mean, this is the open ocean out this way, so you're going to get a little bit of debris that will wash up during the high tide. But it's not bad at all. It's 3 kilometers of this with just a few little resorts, some restaurants, little bars and stuff like that. And if you're up here at this beach, you're 8 kilometers away from the kind of the Bang Niang, like the center area. That's like really probably the true downtown area, but it's still pretty quiet. the beach. It's quite nice. The sand and the sea here are beautiful. They're nice. There's a lot of hotels, stuff like that, that are inland on the beach road. And there's little restaurants and bars, and then there's the Bang Tong like night market and all of that is here. It's a super quiet little beach, same as everything else. Now it's set up here for the sunsets. So everybody wants to come over here and see the sunsets in the evening. This is a great part of Thailand. Now it's quiet. You're not going to come here if you want like the crazy nightlife. This is a place to come and just kind of relax. The beaches are so long and there's not as many people as if you go to like Phuket and places like that. So when you come to these beaches, you're going to be pretty much out here on your own. I mean, there'll be a few people that you'll see, but you're not going to be fighting for beachfront property to enjoy the sun. The sand, it is a little rocky in times, but this sand here at this part of the beach is just absolutely perfect. It's this nice golden brown sand. This part of the beach has a little bit of the coral, a little bit of the shells, but it's not bad at all. It doesn't affect the quality of this beach. And the water is like a bathtub. I mean, it is just absolutely perfect. Now, I always skipped Khao Lak back years ago. I'd always be in such a hurry to get down to Phuket. But anymore, I would much rather just come to Khao Lak than to go to Phuket. Let's take a look here. We'll walk up here and look at the pool and stuff. Yeah, this is the sands. They got everything set up for keeping it dry during the night. All these chairs. Yeah, pretty nice place. There's the pool. And they have 2-story towers all around for the hotels. And over here is a 3-story. Yeah, let's keep walking down the beach a little bit. Yeah, there's a little bit of surfing that they do just to the north of this beach, kind of about 15 kilometers north or so. There's a beach up there that I've seen people out surfing. The surf's not gigantic, but you know, you can still have a good time on it. You got some shade trees and stuff like that here. Yeah, this is fantastic. You can see there's a couple little fishing boats out there. This is the little jungle behind the beach. And then you have all these resorts and stuff that are kind of just nestled in amongst the trees. Yeah, this is great. Another look around here. Yeah, this place is absolutely fantastic. So this beach is just a little 2-kilometer stretch of sand. A couple resorts on it. And as you can see, it's pretty quiet. If you're looking for the peace and solitude, this is definitely the place to come. You're a beachcomber type person. Lots of shells, little pieces of coral, stuff like that. Now this, from what I hear, this is not a good place to snorkel. Doesn't look like really there's any reefs offshore, mostly these big rocks. People come here, if they're gonna go snorkeling, they go out to the islands. They go to the Similin Islands, or they go to the Surin Islands. This is, I believe they call Bang Niang Beach. And then just to the south of Bang Niang Beach is Bang Tong Beach, I think is how you say it. And that's over that way. Now the first thing you see with here is the sea is a little choppier. You get a little bit more waves coming in. There's nothing to break the waves coming from out in the ocean. So you get a little bit more surf. The beach is like this, a little coarser, like brown sand. There's a little bit of rock, a little bit of coral, stuff like that on it. Now you can see from the rain how the water is a little murky. Hopefully it'll clear up after a little while if it stops raining. But you can see some rain on the horizon. And looking back towards other parts of Khao Lak. Now this beach is on the west side of Thailand. So if you're a morning person like me, you're not going to be able to get up and come over and see the sunrise. But this is a beautiful place to come and watch the sunset. You got some mist coming off the ocean. Looks like one person way out there. But there is nobody else on this whole beach. This is a shame. This is a fantastic beach and there's nobody out here. You can see the nice wide beach. And there's some rock and coral, stuff like that for the beachcombers. You can come and pick up some shells and do all of that. This beach is on par with pretty much anything I've seen anywhere else. I mean, it's just not super powdery white sand, but this beach is fantastic. I've been to some really great beaches. I've been to some really terrible beaches. And this one is upper end. It's as nice as anything I've been to, like in Australia or definitely the east coast of Thailand. And this is what I got to see the first thing this morning. And this is Sunset Beach. And the sunset is quite nice here. But the water is just absolutely perfect. The sand is spectacular. There is zero complaints about this beach. You can see the nice shade trees and everything on the back of this beach. We got some big rocks. You can see the sand is just awesome. And these little ghost crabs are scurrying everywhere. These are pretty cool. Yeah, this separates the beaches. This changes the name though. The ocean didn't change or anything else. Almost back where we started at on this beach. Just absolutely amazing. That's going to finish up our video of the top 4 beaches over here in Khao Lak. Hopefully you enjoyed this. There's something for everybody here. This is a part of Thailand that I really like. It has some beautiful beaches, and it's so much quieter than if you go to the south in Phuket, or even if you go over to Krabi or whatever. This is really, really nice. The beaches are nice, the weather is nice, and you can get over here with a little bit of rain, but you know, during the dry season, this is really a nice place. Anyway, if you liked the video, smash the like. If you have your favorite beach or whatever, tell me in a comment down below. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, stick around. You get to see things that I see through my eyes, and I tell you a little bit about what I know. It's all unscripted, so if you like this, then definitely stick around. And until next time, from over here in Khao Lak, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.